All right, friends, whatever you call this, whether it's your sales call, your clarity session, your get to know you session, these are important for you, your clients, and your business. And no matter what your strategy is, no matter what your script is, no matter what the conversation looks like, the secret sauce is your energy. So I want you to get comfy. Let's take 5 minutes to supercharge your energy, get you in the right state to get the result that you want at the end of this conversation. I'm Hanna Hermanson, certified success coach, brand strategist, international speaker, and real person, and I am so excited to bring you a guided meditation to ensure that you get the results that you want on all of your sales conversations. So we'll start by just getting comfortable. You can do this anywhere, anytime. We'll just start by focusing on our breath. So take a full inhale in through your nose, allowing your chest and diaphragm to expand, and then let it all out. Let's continue with those long breathing patterns, inhaling and exhaling, and letting your eyes come to close. Continue focusing on your breath for now, letting your shoulders relax, and a smile come across your face. You can repeat these affirmations out loud or in your head. I am a badass coach. People love working with me. My value is immense and obvious. I always serve. I'm here as an advocate. This person needs me. Now, as you're thinking of this person, maybe you know their name, maybe you've seen their face before. Take your awareness to the person you're about to call. Keeping that smile on your face. Imagine a ball of light in this person's chest. See them bright, shining. And then notice that same ball of light in your chest. You're bright, you're shining. Every inhale, both of these balls of light continue to grow bigger. Now there's a connection. Imagine a beam of light connecting your ball of light to their ball of light. An energetic connection binding you and this person in lightness, in brightness. Now imagine that connection and your mutual lights filling up your office or the space that you're in right now. Feeling your space becoming illuminated as you continue to connect with this person. You are an ally. They need you. You are here to serve. And if you have space or you're comfortable, start to lift your hands up in space, expanding your chest, your heart, your throat. Yes. Maybe pulling your fists into you. Yes. Feel the excitement of a yes. 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 This is the perfect outcome. Feel what the perfect outcome will feel like in your body. Get excited. Feel the gratitude boiling up from inside of you. You're excited. yes. Draw your hands to heart center, keeping this feeling of yes, of gratitude, of the perfect outcome. Bowing your head. Taking one final deep breath in and out. Keeping the smile, keeping the energy. Return to your office. Open your eyes and go serve. You're gonna crush this sales conversation. You're gonna help someone along the way. And no matter what the outcome is, you'll know it was the perfect outcome.